Imagine holding the keys to one of the rarest first-year muscle cars ever built, a numbers-matching 440 GTX Convertible, one of only 680 made in 1967. The engine roars, the stripes gleam, and the silver metallic paint catches every eye. This isn't just a car, it's history, power, and luxury all rolled into one breathtaking masterpiece. Ready to experience American muscle like never before? What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel, where we dive deep into the world of timeless automotive legends, rare classics, and jaw-dropping muscle machines. Today, we're about to experience a car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time itself. Feast your eyes on this 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX 440 Convertible, a true first-year GTX, an icon of Mopar muscle, and one of only about 680 convertibles made in 1967. This is not just a car, this is history on wheels, polished to perfection, roaring with American muscle, and ready to transport you back to the golden era of the muscle car renaissance. From the moment you see this car, you know it's special. The full silver metallic repaint gleams under the showroom lights, perfectly complementing the bold black racing stripes that scream performance and attitude. Every curve, every line on the body tells a story of Plymouth stepping up in 1967 to create a muscle car that blended power, elegance, and practicality like no other. This is the first year the GTX made its debut, a year that marked the birth of Plymouth's ultimate performance package, built not just to drive fast, but to dominate the road with style. Slide closer and you notice the details that separate this car from anything ordinary. The Magnum 500 wheels sit poised with their classic chrome finish, wrapped in period-correct redline tires, a signature look that transports you straight into the muscle car era. The stance is commanding, the presence undeniable, and let's talk about the power convertible top, pristine, fully functional, allowing you to enjoy that open-air driving experience while cruising in pure 1960s luxury. Under the hood, this GTX is not just a pretty face, it's a beast. You'll find a numbers-matching 440 CID V8, Plymouth's legendary Super Commando engine, believed to have its stock internals intact. This is a 375 horsepower powerhouse, delivering torque that grabs the pavement and throws it back with authority. Paired with the legendary A727 TorqueFlite 3-speed automatic, this car isn't just about raw power, it's about smooth, effortless delivery, making every drive an experience in both performance and refinement. The Carter 4-barrel carburetor ensures that every throttle input sings with a growl that makes your heart race and turns the simplest drive into a symphony of American muscle. Now, for those who appreciate the subtleties, notice the 3.23 rear gears, perfectly balanced to give this convertible a lively yet controlled ride. Coupled with power steering and power brakes, this GTX is not just a brute, it's a gentleman's muscle car, offering comfort, control, and confidence whether you're cruising the boulevard or carving through a scenic back road. You feel every connection to the road without losing the refinement and luxury that sets the GTX apart from its peers. Let's step inside, where the interior tells a story of craftsmanship and attention to detail. The cabin is spacious, welcoming, and meticulously restored. Every surface reflects the care and passion poured into this car, maintaining authenticity while offering modern usability. It's here that you realize this isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience. Every touch, every sound, every sight is a reminder that this is a rare piece of automotive history, preserved and celebrated in its truest form. Defining aspects of this 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Convertible is its collectability. Being a first-year GTX makes it historically significant. The production numbers are astonishingly low, especially for convertibles. Out of over 12,000 GTX made that year, only around 680 were convertibles, making this model exceptionally rare and highly sought after by collectors and enthusiasts alike. This rarity, combined with the numbers-matching engine and period correct features elevates this GTX from a mere classic car to a museum-quality showpiece, the kind of car that commands attention at every car show and auction. And let's talk about the experience of driving it. With the top down, the engine's roar fills the air like a symphony of raw American power. The TorqueFlite automatic delivers smooth shifts, and the 440 V8 responds instantly to every prod of the accelerator. You're not just driving, you're commanding a piece of history, feeling the weight of the era's innovation, performance, and craftsmanship beneath your hands. The balance, the sound, the tactile feedback of the steering, the growl of the engine, and the wind in your hair, every moment in this car is cinematic. It's a reminder that the muscle car era wasn't just about speed, it was about passion, design, and emotion, and this GTX embodies it. Now let's take a moment to appreciate the aesthetics that make this car stand out even more. The silver metallic finish with black racing stripes is iconic, a perfect combination that commands attention without being over the top. The body is sleek, muscular, and timeless. The Magnum 500 wheels peek out like polished trophies, and the redline tires are a subtle nod to the period's racing culture. Every inch of this car has been restored and maintained with utmost precision, showcasing a blend of authenticity and refinement rarely seen in the muscle car world. If you're a collector, a car enthusiast, or just someone who appreciates automotive excellence, this GTX offers everything you could want: rarity, performance, historical significance, and sheer visual impact. It's a car that doesn't just get driven, it gets admired, photographed, and celebrated. Each drive is an event, each turn of the key a performance, and each mile a memory etched into the annals of classic car history. And for those who love numbers, this GTX isn't just about horsepower, it's about value. Cars like this are increasingly rare, and numbers matching examples with proper documentation are highly sought after at auctions. They aren't just purchases, they're investments in automotive heritage. Owning a car like this means preserving a part of muscle car history for future generations while enjoying one of the most authentic, visceral driving experiences available anywhere. So what makes this 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Convertible truly special? It's the combination of rarity, performance, luxury, and history. It's the thrill of owning a first-year GTX with numbers matching engine and transmission, the pride of driving one of fewer than 700 convertibles ever built, and the joy of experiencing American muscle at its finest. It's the perfect balance of power, elegance, and nostalgia wrapped in a metallic silver package that shines as brightly today as it did over 50 years ago. As we wrap up our look at this extraordinary GTX, one thing is clear: cars like this aren't just machines, they're living legends. Their stories, dreams, and passions captured in steel and chrome. They remind us of an era when cars were more than transportation. They were statements, personalities, and works of art. This 1967 Plymouth Belvedere GTX Convertible isn't just rare, it's a masterpiece of American automotive design, a collector's dream, and a driver's fantasy, all rolled into one magnificent machine. So if you're someone who appreciates automotive excellence, history, and sheer driving pleasure, take a moment to admire this car, study its details, and imagine the roar of the 440 V8 beneath your hands as you cruise with the top down. This is more than a classic car, it's a symbol of an era, a tangible piece of history, and one of the finest examples of Mopar muscle ever built. Thank you for joining us on this cinematic journey through one of the rarest and most iconic muscle cars of the 1960s. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a deep dive into the world of rare and exotic automotive legends. And remember, cars like this don't just exist, they inspire, they thrill, and they remind us why we fell in love with cars in the first place. Until next time, drive safe, dream big, and keep the spirit of American muscle alive.